Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to redeem your Spotify gift card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser, go to the URL spotify.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of Spotify. In order to redeem your gift code, go and click on the login button at the upper right. Make sure to sign into your account by entering correct credentials. Let me go ahead and type in my email address and password in order to log in. You can also log into Spotify with your Facebook, Apple, or your Google account. After I'm done with the email, let me move on to the password option. Type in your password in the text box and click on login to log into your account. Soon after you're logged into your account, go to your profile picture with your name in it at the upper right corner and click it on. Now from this page, go to account. Soon after you open your account, on the left hand side menu, you'll be able to see a button that says redeem. Click it on. Now enter the PIN number at the back of your gift card that you've received, or you can enter the premium code for you from your in-store receipt. Once you type it in, click on I'm not a robot and click on continue in order to redeem your code. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with a more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.